आमचो एकूच मुद्दो आसा की आमकां गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट बांयगेणे आमकां नाका. एक्चुअली गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट हे गोंयभर आमकां जाय अशें ना की नाका अशें. हो मदींच आतां बाबूश मनसुराद हें चाळून घालता. तेणी जर खरी हिम्मत आसा न्हू तेणी गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट थंय बांयगेणी हाडून दाखोवपाचो. म्हाजो ताका विरोध आसतलो. मागीर कितें आहा तें मागीर हांव दाखयता कितें करपाचें तें.
Bangalore plant जातलो. Bangalore plant was has been even cleared by the Supreme Court. So all the process has already been followed as far as the plant is concerned.
बुधवारा बांयगेणीच्या प्रस्तावित कोयर विलो प्रकल्पावयल्यान मंत्री बाबूश आनी कुमारजुंवेचो आमदार राजेश फळदेसायाचे बरेच पेटिल्ले. राजेशान बाबूशाक बरोच उजरावन काडिल्लो. आता बाबूशाची फळदेसायाक परती जाप. प्रकल्पाचो बुन्यादी फातर घालतना आमदार फळदेसाय आसतलोच, मात उक्तावणाक तो आसत काय ना ते सांगपाक शकना म्हणून बाबूशाचो थंड भाशेत फळदेसायाक राजकी चिमटो.
पयलें हांव सांगूंक सोदतां ऑन वॉट इश्यू आय स्पोक. I had gone for a meeting yesterday for GWMC, right? Who is the chairman of the meeting? The chief minister is chairman. I am the vice chairman. I spoke actually what was the agenda of the meeting, and of the agenda of the meeting, Bangalore was one of the agenda. On number 4 or 5th was the agenda. So I told you, as I gave you exactly what transpired as far as Bangalore plant is concerned. So what is the question now?
So, but the way he spoke, you feel...
No, I am not here to say to me, I am not into that. I am just trying to say I have spoken the truth. And I have always been telling him, not now, he's been asking me for the past 2.5 years, from the time he's been MLA and from the time I've been a minister of waste management, and this issue has been coming up as far as the assembly is concerned. We are firm where the plant is going to come. I am just trying to say that I spoke the truth. And there's always a saying, so you speak the truth, you don't have to remember anything. So all this while I have been telling him, the plant will be coming. He's been trying basically to see that plant doesn't come. That is, he's trying to protect his people. That as far as the garbage treatment plant, I was the first one among the 40 MLAs at that time to say, when Parikar was there, to say that put the garbage treatment plant in our constituency, that we can take care of basically 3 constituencies, Panjim, Talegaon as well as Santa Cruz constituency.
राजेशान नेटान मुख्यमंत्र्या वांगडा कितें ते उलयलो म्हणून सांगिल्लें. बाबूशान ताचेरूच बोट दवरीत बैठकीक मुख्यमंत्रीच अध्यक्ष म्हणून आशिल्ले हाचेर बोट दवरलें. मजगतीं काल सांजे बाबूश आनी फळदेसायाच्या वादाचेर विचारल्यार मुख्यमंत्री मात वोग्गी.
सो सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचेर राजेश फळदेसायान हें केल्लें आसा.
सर राजेश फळदेसायाचेर
सर सॉलिड वेस्ट
प्रोजेक्ट जातलो.
राजेश फळदेसाय आणि बाबू त्यांच्यामध्ये
सो मान अपमान तुमच्याच मंत्रिमंडळान दिश्टी पडटा. तेचेर कितें म्हणणें आसा?
सर प्रोजेक्ट बांयगेणी
सर जातलो बांयगेणी प्रोजेक्ट चॅलेंज केले सर.
चॅलेंज केलं.
कापस्तात बी म्हटला.
कापस्तात म्हणला.
पाय सांभाळा रे तुम्ही.
सर बांयगेणी प्रोजेक्ट जातलो.
सर
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर पणजेच्यान विनायक सामंत.